Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decorations outdoor available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Unimore Halloween Decorations Outdoor. The decoration sets include a skull, one pair of skeleton hands and fabric sleeves with 2 sturdy plastic stakes and a gauze. It would be a super value pack for your home graveyard scenes or Halloween party. Then place the skull between them and put the gauze on it. At number 4 we have Join Halloween Decorations Outdoor. It's time to surprise trick-or-treaters with Join Climbing Zombie Groundbreaker. It's bring spooky fun to your Halloween party with this great detailed undead animated Halloween zombie. At number 3 we have Lico Halloween Decorations Outdoor. Its double-sided printing makes this set of signs yard stakes look more realistic and scary. You can slide into the holes and then stick into the ground. At number 2 we have Ongmart Halloween Decorations Outdoor. This was my best Halloween find yet. The neighborhood kids love seeing this up in our windows. It spray a little water on the window, they stick all by themselves. It will be firm and easy remove. At number 1 we have Join Halloween Decorations Outdoor. It is made with 360 grams of artificial cartoon. It is durable and stretchable, easy to attach on anywhere for decorating. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decorations outdoor for your need.